When revamping a garage, new flooring is probably at the top of everyone's list. Garage flooring is a great addition to your home, and it lets you personalize your space and make it more usable. But there are also a lot of questions surrounding garage flooring. Good news, we're here to answer those questions. Some tiles can withstand the weight of a car jack, while others cannot. Hard plastic tiles aren't designed for use with car jacks, and they could break under the weight. On the other hand, our soft PVC tiles have the ability to flex and won't be damaged under the weight. If you prefer hard tiles over soft PVC tiles, you can use a sheet of plywood or metal between the car jack and the hard tiles in order to distribute the weight. Our garage flooring products are built to withstand the extreme temperatures in your garage without getting damaged. While garage flooring endures temperature extremes, you can expect some expansion and contraction as the garage heats up and cools down. This is common and nothing to worry about. If your garage faces the sun, your garage tiles may experience buckling from expansion and contraction. There are 3 solutions to this issue. First, you can use vented garage tiles where the sun hits the garage, such as an entryway. Vented garage tiles experience less contraction and expansion. Another option is using glue to secure the tiles that will experience the most heat. This will keep your garage floor stable. Finally, for some products, you can purchase expansion joints that allow for more uniform movement across the floor, preventing buckling. Street tar can cause staining to light-colored soft PVC tiles, but in most instances, the staining can be remedied with a cleaner called Purple Power. If you have performance tires, staining can occur with any color, but they won't be noticeable on black tiles. Since white or light garage tiles can be prone to staining, many of our customers include runway tiles or a black parking area to avoid this issue. There are 2 types of garage tiles, hard plastic and PVC. They require different cutting methods. PVC garage tiles are typically cut using a utility knife. If you have hard plastic tiles, use a tile cutter or a power saw with a fine-tooth blade. It's even easier to cut garage rolls to fit your space. As you meet walls and other obstacles, use a straight edge and utility knife to cut the roll along the edges until it fits. You can also use a utility knife to make specialty cuts around drains or corners as well. All of our garage flooring products can be installed over radiant heating coils. We recommend that you follow the manufacturer's installation instructions when doing this type of installation. You can easily replace a damaged tile in the middle of the floor. For hard plastic tiles, simply pull up each tile in the row or column until you can remove the old tile. Install the new piece and lock each tile back into place. You can also use a paint can opener to lift up the edges of the tile you want to replace. When replacing soft PVC tiles, you can cut out the damaged tile and replace it directly, or you can use a paint can opener to lift it. Our soft plastic tiles don't make a lot of sound when you walk over them, but hard plastic tiles can be loud against a concrete floor. As a result, many people prefer purchasing rubber underlayment to reduce the noise. While all of our garage flooring can be installed directly on concrete, an underlayment will reduce the sound of hard plastic tiles. It's super easy to keep your new garage flooring clean. Just like a regular floor, we recommend sweeping dirt, dust, and debris out of the garage with a broom. For a deeper clean, you can mop your garage floor with a mild soap and water solution. Some common soaps include dish detergents and laundry detergent. You can also hose down the floors if you're in an open space with proper drainage. If you have any more questions, head on over to our website and click the live chat option. We'll be happy to help. You can also call in and we'll help you find the perfect product for your garage. Thanks for watching!